Hello everyone, I am Archana Obale, Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC, SSMS IIT Pune. I am going to explain you the need of modulation. So first we are going to see what is the definition of modulation. Modulation is the process in which some of the parameters of the carrier like amplitude, frequency and phase is varied according with instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal, and then this modulated signal is transmitted by the transmitter. Then we are going to see over here what is the need of this modulation, why we can't able to transmit our baseband signal as it is. So the answer of that, baseband transmission has many limitations which can be overcome using modulation. In the modulation process, the baseband signal is translated, means what? That is shifted from low frequency to high frequency, and this frequency shift is proportional to the frequency of carrier. So here we are going to see some points in the need of modulation. So first is reduction of in the height of the antenna. Second, avoid mixing of signals, increase the range of communication, multiplexing is possible, improves the quality of reception by the modulation. So here we are going to see one by one. So first is reduction in the height of the antenna. So how we can able to reduce the height of the antenna? By the modulation. So if you are transmitting your signals without modulation using the transmitting antenna, so transmission of the radio signals, the antenna height that is calculated by using this formula, lambda by, and minimum antenna height should be the lambda by 4. So lambda is the c by f. C is the velocity of the light and f is the frequency of the transmitted signal. And for example, we see over here, if you transmit the baseband signal of frequency 10 kHz, then we are going to calculate for that condition what should be the height of the antenna. So height of the antenna formula is lambda by 4 is equal to c by 4f. So here we put the value of c, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 4 into frequency of the transmitted baseband signal, that is 10 into 10 raised to 3. So that is equal to 7500 meters, means 7.5 kilometer. The antenna height of 7.5 kilometer, that is practically impossible to install. So if this same baseband signal be transmitted by the modulation, means baseband signal of 10 kHz we modulate of a carrier of 1 MHz, and that modulated signal which you are getting, that is 1 MHz signal. Then for this 1 MHz modulated signal, if you calculate the antenna height using same formula, so that you will get the antenna height, that is 75 meters. Yes, 75 meters antenna height we can able to easily install practically. So thus the modulation reduces the height of the antenna. This is the first need of the modulation. Then second is avoid mixing of the signal. If baseband sound signals are transmitted without using modulation by more than one transmitter, then all signals will be same frequency, that is from 0 to 20 kHz. Therefore all signals get mixed together and receiver cannot separate them from each other. Hence If the baseband sound signal is used to modulate at a different carrier frequencies, then they will occupy different slots of the frequency domain, and that is transmitted via different channels, so that receiver can be able to separate out this received signal coming from the different channel, and then modulation avoids the mixing of the signal. The third one is increase the range of communication. The frequency of baseband signal is low, and low frequency signal cannot travel long distance when they are transmitted. They get heavily attenuated. The attenuation reduces with increasing frequency of the transmitted signal, and they travel longer distance. So modulation process increases the frequency of the signal to be transmitted, therefore that increases the range of communication. The next one is multiplexing is possible. So multiplexing is the process which what two or more signals can be transmitted over a same communication channel simultaneously. This is possible only with the modulation. Multiplex allows same channel to be used by many signals. Hence many TV channels can be used same frequency range without getting mixed with each other, or different frequency signal can be transmitted at the same time using the multiplexing technique of frequency division multiplexing and time division multiplexing. Then we are going to see over here the last one, need of the modulation, that improves the quality of the reception. If you see, if you are transmitting your baseband signal, that cannot travel for a long distance, as well as the quality of the reception of that signal degrade. But if you transmit this signal by the modulation with the frequency modulation and digital communication technique such as the PCM, the effect of noise get reduced to great extent, and this improves the quality of the reception. Thank you.